case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A disputed personnel test at the heart of a lawsuit sparked a significant Supreme Court decision in 1976. For the Metropolitan Police Department in the District of Columbia, Test 21 was a rite of passage for officer applications. However, it became a legal battleground when two African-American police officers, alongside two other black applicants, launched a lawsuit. They alleged that Test 21, amidst other recruitment procedures, was discriminatory, disproportionately excluding black candidates. The case thus brought into question the validity and implications of a possibly biased recruitment process, leading to a tug-of-war in the courts. Initially, the district court backed the department, upholding the use of Test 21. Undeterred, the plaintiffs turned to the Court of Appeals, which ultimately deemed the test invalid, citing its uneven impact on black applicants. The decision suddenly cast a new light on Test 21, but spurred on a final appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court was left to grapple with the incongruity of the lower court's decisions. Drawing the constitutional line, the Supreme Court reversed the Court of Appeals in a majority opinion penned by Justice White, highlighting that racially disparate outcomes did not necessarily imply discriminatory intent. Accordingly, they ruled that an official act would only be deemed unconstitutional if and when it reflects a racially discriminatory objective. Ultimately, the Supreme Court upheld the district court's original validation of Test 21, reifying its direct relevance to the police training program. The court staunchly defended its verdict by emphasizing that officer recruitment issues should be handled under Title VII procedures. In this decisive move, the Supreme Court traversed the terrain of discrimination law, asserting that unequal impact does not establish unlawful bias. The far-reaching judgment thus brought us back to the threshold question. Was Test 21 inherently unfair, or had justice been rightfully served? The Supreme Court leaned towards the latter, reversing the Court of Appeals and reaffirming the legitimacy of Test 21 in police recruitments.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.